Stop wasting your ad budget. Recover 70% of lost data with Meta CAPI. Are you running Meta ads for your e-commerce store in the USA or Europe? Then you have a major leak in your data. Look at this. Browser-side tracking is falling due to iOS 14 Plus and ad blockers. Your Meta Pixel is missing up to 50% of your customer actions. You are flying blind and your ROAS is suffering. This is where personal analytics comes in. I don't just set up tags. I build a future-proof tracking ecosystem. I implement GTM Server-Side Tracking and Meta Conversion API to bridge the gap between your server and Facebook. Check this out. In the server container, you can see the request coming directly from website. And look at the response. It shows 200 OK status. This means we are bypassing browser restriction and sending 100% accurate data directly from the server to Meta. The result speaks for itself. Look at my purchase event match quality. It's a solid 8 out of 10. By sending high-quality multiple signals, Meta AI knows exactly who your buyers are. This is drastically improved ad optimization and lowers your cost per acquisition. Is your store ready to recover its lost data? Stop letting your competitors win. DM me right now for a free tracking and compliance audit. Let's scale your business with precision data. Hire me on Upwork today.